Okay, we're under the vehicle here. Oh goodness. And I need to tighten up the exhaust flange, both there, make sure they're snug. I have to move my oxygen sensor, this upstream oxygen sensor out the way to get to one of those sections. But I check under to make sure everything connected to the exhaust is good to go. All the bolts around the exhaust flanges and connecting exhaust pipes. Make sure all that's tight up in there. So I think from here on back is all I need to check. The rest of it just one solid piece. I have a connection here, and here. I have a connection here. And the rest of it coming from the left and right side of the manifold. There. Okay.